the sound they make. It's so gorgeous. Like, that looks so cool. Okay, anyways, I love this slime. But if you want to be technical, I do have a frog charm. Okay, next up is a mushroom slime. That would be a really cool slime idea though. If I should do that, let me know down below. Next up is Santa, and I do have a Santa slime. Santa's cookie milk, Santa's hot chocolate. These are all half off right now in my store. A lot of this is already sold. We just have the package orders still. My staff is on a well-deserved break right now.